All right, we're going to take a quick look here at Tropical Storm Melissa. So Melissa this morning is sitting over the Caribbean over very, very warm ocean waters, and convection does appear to be organizing around its center with a very cold central dense overcast present on IR imagery, as you can see here. And as of 8 a.m., the National Hurricane Center did say that Tropical Storm Melissa contained maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, a minimum central pressure of 1,001 millibars. It was located at approximately 14.3 degrees north and 73.5 degrees west, and it was moving northwest-northwest at a very slow tortoise speed of 2 miles per hour. And that's because it's in a region of very light steering flow. So the biggest question right now is, where is it going to go? Well, let's take a look. All right, so we're going to look at the GFS model here first. And what I want to show you guys is, so this is Melissa right here. This is for 2 p.m. today, October 22nd. And this is the 500 millibar map. So the GFS and the European are showing two very different things. I'm not even going to get into what the hurricane models are showing right now because the video would be 30 minutes long, and I know no one wants to listen to me for that long. So we're going to just look at the GFS and the European, and we're going to talk about what they're showing and why they're showing it. So this has Tropical Storm Melissa right here in the Caribbean, and it has it sitting over the Caribbean over just south of Haiti and the Dominican Republic for a couple days, and then it has it drifting northward and then getting absorbed into the mid-latitude trough, as you see here, and zoom away it goes into the Atlantic, into the mid-latitudes, and goodbye Melissa. But the European has a very different solution. And it's all going to depend on the steering flow and the mid-latitude trough, and that's what this thing is dependent upon. It really just depends. Right now, we don't have a clear idea as to where this storm is going to go. This is what the European shows. The European is showing it sitting here over the Caribbean, even longer than what the GFS was showing, and then it has it kind of drifting southward towards Mexico, and then it pulls it northward at a later time, so it sits over the Caribbean for longer than what the GFS is showing. And I want to show you something. I'm going to show you the surface map here. If it does sit over the Caribbean longer, you're going to get a stronger storm. Right before it heads over Cuba, the European has it reaching let's show you here, 932 millibars. So that's a pretty strong storm. The GFS, I'll show you real quick what the GFS was showing. I forgot to show you the surface map for that while I was there. So let's back this thing up here just a little bit, just slightly. 976 millibars by the time it passes over, I believe it's Haiti and the Dominican Republic. So it has it taking a more eastward track. It's quicker at getting it out of the Caribbean and into the mid-latitudes, whereas the European sits it in the Caribbean in the warm bath waters under nice light to moderate shear over the next coming days, which will allow this storm to intensify. So how long does it sit over the Caribbean? How soon does it get pulled northward? And where exactly does this storm go is really anyone's best guess at this point. I'm going to show you what the storm tracks are showing. This is the model tracks for the global models and the hurricane models. And as you can see, the storm is going to go this way. That's where it's going to go. We know it's going to go this way. So really, like I said, your best is as good as mine right now. As we start getting more data from this storm, and as we start getting more data from the mid-latitude troughs and stuff that are going to be involved in where this storm goes, we'll start to get a better idea over the next coming days. But right now, it's sitting over the Caribbean, and that is why the National Hurricane Center has issued tropical storm watches for Jamaica and hurricane watches for southern Haiti as of right now. I would definitely expect these to expand into Cuba, more into Haiti, more into the Dominican Republic over the coming days. But right now, that's what the National Hurricane Center is showing. And you can see it right here. The cone is not really a cone, it's a circle. Because even the National Hurricane Center is pretty much saying, right now, the guidance is all over the place. We don't know where this storm is going to go. It all depends on the steering flow, how strong the storm gets, and the mid-latitude troughs. We don't know exactly where this thing is going to go yet. I'm going to show you one more thing here before we go. and this is the intensity guidance. The intensity guidance is, again, all over the place. Right now, the consensus is about Category 2, Category 3, but some models are trending stronger, and if it does stay in the Caribbean, I would tend to go with the stronger guidance, Category 3, Category 4, and even Category 5. So all options are on the table right now. We need to really be monitoring this system, so stay with us throughout the day. Stay with us as we make updates on our forecast, and tomorrow, hopefully, we have a slightly better handle on it. Maybe we can say that it's going to go this way instead of this way. So stay with us. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like on the video, and go Bills.